Hi, my name is Don Defoe. I'm with a company called Global Force Safety Solutions. I've been in the industry now for 20 years, primarily in the ceramic tile end of the business, but today we're now looking at a vinyl deck. I have with me Gord Langevin, an expert in the vinyl industry. He's been involved in that business for 20 years himself, and one of the biggest problems when you put down a beautiful vinyl deck, you want to keep it beautiful. Traditional methods of cleaning a deck have been tried, tested, and not really proven. We have got a new revolutionary product today I believe is going to amaze you. I know that Gord's seen it firsthand. He's amazed. He's the expert in his industry, and we want to now introduce it to you. We're with a number of corporate entities that all have the same problem. So it's not a problem that is, I would say, unusual. It's a very typical problem that everybody encounters. And we want to be able to correct that problem for you today. So I have Gord here, and Gord's going to talk to you about the vinyl decking. That's his expertise. Gord?
I've been involved in the vinyl decking industry for well over 20 years. The number one question I've always had is, how do I clean my deck? Basically soap and water, because nobody wants to put any type of chemicals on their decks in fear of hurting the integrity of it. So when I ran into Don, I asked Don about the vinyl test, or the vinyl deck itself. Will this hurt the vinyl? He said, well, let's try a test spot and see. So we did. I was so impressed with this, we actually took some vinyl samples and we took them out to the lab, and they did some very vigorous testing. They threw all the concentrates that they could at this vinyl, and it passed with flying colors. Thought, well, let's try this on the deck. Be amazed at what you're about to see. Okay, Don, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay,
let's do it.
Let's do it. Soap and water and brush method. So here I have a brush with just detergent, soap, or water.
Now this is the recommended
This is what
cleaning solution that they would
yeah, this is what's
suggest
recommended
for you
to
to
people
use.
with the vinyl decks.
Right.
You know,
Right.
they don't want to use anything abrasive.
Right.
They don't want, first of all, they don't want to take the color out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, and abrasives can be damaging,
And
so you want to be careful with
absolutely,
anything
yeah.
abrasive. You don't want to use abrasive on any type of surface. It just can become a damaging effect to you, and the longevity can be affected as well.
Exactly.
So I noticed you're putting a lot of elbow grease into that.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's really,
Yeah.
the dirt on this deck is, like I said, it's impregnated itself into the vinyl, so it's really difficult to clean, even with bristles like this. You can see, well, there's a lot of mud coming up here.
Now vinyl, like any surface, is a great surface to have, but cleaning is always a problem in any industry. So this is something that I think most people will encounter with any type of surface they have. I can see that with the vinyl for sure. It happens with ceramic tile, it happens with porcelain tile, it happens with any type of surface.
Okay, so that took a lot out of me. Now what we do is we're going to clean this.
Now that Gord has done the traditional method of cleaning vinyl deck, we're going to show you the cleaning and rejuvenation system. Paul is now going to be applying the Safe Solution Cleaning and Rejuvenation product. This product will now remove any type of contaminants that are on the surface. And what happens with most surfaces is when you use a regular cleaning product, it does not get down to the surface itself. So what we want to be able to do is remove the contaminants from the surface and allow the cleaning product to do its job. Gently moving around a sponge, and you noticed in the first procedure we used a scrub brush. So in this procedure, we're just going to gently move around the sponge with the cleaning solution.
So you can really see it.
And you can now start to see it's coming right up. We're going to apply the Clean Step product itself. This is the cleaner. This is the product that will now get at the deck itself to clean it. Two-part system. Cleaning product itself is what will really make this deck very, very clean. And you can see the dirt that's come out of it, and you can actually start seeing now the deck is brightening right up. So now he's just going to add water to rinse it. We've just added water now to rinse it, and as you notice, he's on his hands and knees. You don't need to be on your hands and knees to clean this deck.
Oh, but
if you're
Now that's bright. Here's the traditional, here's the new method for cleaning your vinyl deck. Notice the difference.
No peel.
So we're going to peel the tape off now, and now you notice the big difference.
It does make a difference. It does.
So you can, listen, I really scrub down here too. Well, there's a demonstration. What do you think of that?
Let's ask the homeowner.
I think it's absolutely amazing. I can't wait till they do my whole deck. It's absolutely amazing, it really is.
Now that we've done this test area here, as you can see, there's test here,
Closed it in spring.
and I've done this part here. There's just no comparison. It's just incredible. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do this whole deck. Okay, so here we are. We're back at the deck area now, and as you can see, this deck is absolutely 100% spotless. This looks, we put a lot of pizzazz into this deck here. And if you remember the before, this is the after product, and this deck looks virtually brand new. Over in this area here, this is where we did that patch. Right here, with the clean step, we did this area just scrubbing, and virtually it's just about new. It's truly an amazing product, and I think you'll be very, very happy with it over the long run. How this program works is we come out to your home, we do the initial cleaning, and then we leave you the clean step product so you can keep it clean. And thank you for watching.